It's Michael on YouTube, and today I'm doing a video for everyone who's starting with binary options. I'm going to give you 7 tips for you to become a successful investor. The first step that I want to give you has to do with budget. First of all, I don't recommend going with a platform that requires a high minimum to start with. There are platforms out there that will let you start with as low as $100. This way, if you're just trying it out, it's your first time, then go with a platform that's not going to require that you put a lot of money when you start. The second tip that I have for you is don't get scattered around. As you might know, with the binary option platforms, you can trade so many different types of assets: indexes, currencies, commodities like gold, silver. You can trade stocks like the Facebook stock. So with all the different options that you have, still I recommend that you focus on 1 or 2 assets at the most. This way there's not too many factors to consider. One of the most common mistakes is when people get scattered around and one day they invest on a currency, the other day on a company, and the next day on oil. Now the third tip that I have for you is use fundamental knowledge. Don't just rely on the graph and looking at uptrends and downtrends, which is one of the most common mistakes, is when people set the expiry time for 1 hour and they see that the graph is going continuously in an uptrend. So they invest and buy a call option, yet they still don't have any fundamental knowledge to back their prediction with. So what I'm saying is that if you're investing in oil, you want to read the news and make sure that you know why the price of oil is increasing. Let's say if there is tension, there is an increase in tension between the US and Iran, for example. Or is Facebook coming out with a new product tomorrow, so you know that based on speculations in the market, you should buy a call option that the price will increase. So you want to apply fundamental knowledge, guys, and if you focus on one asset, then it's easier for you to apply knowledge and focus on less factors when you make a prediction. You also want to go with a platform that offers you access to the latest technologies that are available out there for you. So some platforms offer you a free mobile application. This way, if you have an Android phone or an iPhone, you can keep track of your investments and actually even take positions while you're away from your computer. So it's a really cool feature. I recommend using it. You want to have a smartphone with a big screen. And I also put a link at the bottom to the platform that I'm using. You can just click on the link directly from your phone and access the mobile application. Now, tip number 5 is probably the most important tip that I can give you, which is don't take a bonus offer no matter what platform you're going with. Because the bonus will lock you in with the platform. You're not going to be able to withdraw your money. That's the main condition with the bonuses, is that you're not going to be able to withdraw your money up until the point where you're going to generate a given amount of volume of trades. Whether you're winning or losing, it's going to be equal to 15, 20, 30 times what you deposit into the platform, which means that if you want to withdraw your money, you're going to have to wait a few weeks and you're going to have to trade a lot. And anyone who's trading online want to get access to their money. So I want to be able to withdraw my money tomorrow if I go with a platform. So don't take a bonus offer. Even if they give you $100, $200, you're still going to have to deposit something to the platform. And don't forget, the most important part is to withdraw your profits at the end. So don't take any bonus offers, guys. Tip number 6 is don't go with the 60-second feature that some platforms will offer you. Because, trust me, over the course of 60 seconds, you're not going to be able to make a wise prediction. The graph is too unstable, it can go up and down, and you cannot associate anything that's happening in reality to something that's happening in the graph over 60 seconds. It's just impossible, and it's pure gamble. All the platforms will let you trade on an hourly basis, and that means you don't have to trade and wait an hour. So if you're very impatient and you just want to get the profits quick, then forget about the 60 seconds. But even if you're trading on an hourly basis, then you can still trade for up to 5 minutes before the expiry, which is very good strategy. So what you can do, you can trade 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes before the expiry time. So in fact, you don't need the 60 seconds feature. It's too risky, so I do not advise that you use it. Last step I have for you is go with a reputable binary option broker. Don't just go with a small unknown platform that you saw in a commercial. Just like with banking, with online shopping, where you buy an airline ticket, you want to go with a website that has a reputation, that brings in traffic. So what I've done is I compared traffic between the major brokers in the binary option field on Alexa.com, which compares the traffic between different websites. Now, as you can see in the Alexa traffic comparison, the most popular binary option platforms, the ones that bring in the most traffic, are 24 option and any option. So definitely, if you're going with a binary option, just like if you're going to go with Bank of America or with Expedia or Cheap Tickets when you buy your online ticket, you want to go with a reputable platform. Now, both of those platforms will offer you the mobile application. I use any option. They also offer you a lower minimum starting at $100, and you can get free access to the platform even before you fund your account. So I put some resources at the bottom of this video. If you guys have any questions, you need some more advice, definitely email me anytime, and also check out my strategies in my videos on my channel. Thank you very much for watching.